Hi everyone. When gardening space is limited, coming up with solutions to maximize every corner and container helps us get the most harvest. We want to show you a couple of examples, especially with container gardening. Here we have these blue containers. What we did early in spring was to put seeds in for a fast growing crop, which was radish or cilantro for us, and a slow growing crop, which was peas. So while the peas were still gaining height, our radishes grew fast and were ready fast enough to give us our first harvest. As soon as some of our radishes were out and we were past our last frost date, we planted our third crop, which will produce in summer. So in this pot, we planted a cucumber seedling while the other pot got some noodle beans seedling in it. Right now, we are enjoying our second harvest from this pot, which is peas. We have already had two big harvests of peas. You can see near the roots that the pea plants are starting to yellow. This is a sign that soon they will be done. But right next to them, you can see that our cucumber plant is starting to grow. Soon it will climb up using the old pea plants as support. Same is happening here. The pole bean plants are already climbing up the pea plants. As peas would stop producing these beans and cucumbers will take over and give us our third harvest. In beginning of August, we will throw in some radish seeds in here, and that should give us a nice fourth harvest by the time summer comes to an end. We are trying this strategy with almost all of our containers and garden beds where one crop follows the next fast enough. We would love to hear from you some of your special tips that you use to maximize your harvest, so do leave us a comment. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow.
Thanks for watching.